Okay, well, I have had problems. But, as we can see here, it is mounted up. Ample room. I have fat hands, don't judge. There's ample room. I redid the piping through here to get it away from some things and whatnot, so that's all good. That looks funny, but it's just gonna have to do. So that'll go back on there. Something like that. I'll fix it later. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wire up my vacuum pump. So before I put that on, I'm gonna do that. So what I have in mind is what is this? That is for the scramble. That's also for scramble. The fusible link. These. My relay. This is a Hyundai relay. Don't forget it. Okay, you can forget it. In my opinion, all 5-pin relays are the same. So now that in here, it's my fuse box, and I'm scared to open this. I'm not sure if it'll close again. So power wires down there. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run off them power wires. This will be my signal wire. It comes from the brake pedal. So whenever you hit the brake, it'll send power to this wire, which is good. And this one right here runs up to, what do you call that? The vacuum pump. And the vacuum pump is grounded by it. So I don't have to run a ground wire. So, you know, I do believe it is either positive or negative. These two are like your signal wires, power in, power out. But I will look that up and be for sure on that one. But I need some spade ends. That red wire, that white wire to the relay. White wire is the signal, that would be the ground. This one goes to there, and then the other red one, which is this one, goes to my fusible link with, will it focus? Nope, a 30 amp fuse. So it will be tied off right there with those. Black wire to ground. Done. Alright, I got it all done, tucked up. Hey, will you hit the brake? Do it again. Thank you. It worked. Now I gotta plumb it. This is the stock hose setup. This is off of Green Caravan, I believe. Same thing with the pump. This is what I had laying around, so it works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tee off that with that 90. I'm gonna leave the check valve in there, and it's gonna go straight to the booster. So how this one worked is that end right there would go to the intake, that one to the pump, check valve, and then that would go to the booster. But I'm gonna just run the pump to see if it actually works. I could go manual brakes, but I'd prefer to keep assisted brakes. So lettuce and tomatoes. Alright, so there it is. Oh, of course you can't see. Ooh, grab a light. Alright, so there is this clamp there. And then I will see what I can do about this situation that I've gotten myself in. puts that on. Out. Oh, it does have a check valve. It's built in. Kind of cool. All right. So. I'm gonna cut that. There. Put a mark on it. Pop that off. On there. Alright, I plan on doing something different with those brake lines, so this is just how it's gonna have to stay until such a date. Clamp back on it. Hey, hit the brakes. They feel easier?
Yeah.
Feel like it was the car was running?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm gonna put my air filter and stuff back on, and we'll go drive the mess out of it. So 90s goes to a check valve, and on up. Mint. Alright, so the only issue I have with the electronic vacuum booster or vacuum pump is when you first get in the car, like that would be just like normal pressing on it. It doesn't do anything because it leaves vacuum off over time, so you gotta push on it. I don't know, give it about 5-10 seconds or something like that. Now it's working. Oh man. This was the scramble button. This is for roll-on launch control. But the wires broke off the back of it because I didn't have them secured correctly. Oops. I guess I should probably use proper tooling for that. Psych. Alright, so how my scramble button works is there's two wires that go to this, my rolling launch control, and one of them is a ground. Well, technically they're both grounds, but the signal wire comes up to it, just loops over and goes on this side, and then the other side goes down, which is this red wire here. and it goes up to my AEM True Boost X, my AEM gauge, which has got the scramble stuff in it. Like my coolant reservoir, it goes, oh, I forgot, it goes in here. It kind of just sits there. See, the hood closes all the way now. Clear? Oh, with that rod? Yeah, clears. So for some reason it was like hitting over here. I don't know what its issue's been. Stuff moved. It closes right. Problem solved.